Welcome everyone. Hope you've all had a good week and a successful week with your learning. Today is our shine bright day, so lots of you are wearing bright coloured clothes, and because it is a happy Friday as well, Mrs. New has got her bright happy top on, so that we can think about how we're going to keep happy and how we're going to keep healthy in our bodies and in our minds as well, so that we're all here to help each other. So this week, lots of you have been busy doing all of your learning, and I've got some special mentions. But I think before I say the special mentions as well, what we need to make sure we say is we are so proud of all of you, because you are all working really hard. And I know that all the teachers love seeing you each week on your little Zoom sessions where you get to have some special time so that you can share things. So they are all really, really proud of you. But this week, we're going to say some special mentions, as we do every week in school. So first, in Turtles, special mentions go to Erin for her reading eggs, and to Scarlett for your handwriting, your writing, and your phonics work. So well done. In Dolphins, special mention to Ben, who's been working hard on his rhyming strings and doing his number bonds to make different numbers. And James F for doing fantastic learning. You've been learning lots of new French words, haven't you, James? So, ooh la la, well done. In Giant Pandas this week, Kiara, Mrs. Palmer has been wowed with your Cinderella doll and your amazing jewel dress you've made. And Bethany, you've been doing some lovely writing all about the Gruffalo, so that's really nice. Polar bears, Joshua Archer, you've been working very hard on your maths. Violet, you've been persevering with your handwriting and your letter family, so keep going. Aaron, on your walks, you've been doing some litter picking in the local community to help it all look beautiful. And Layla, you've been really kind and thoughtful as well, thinking about how you can help the homeless people. So that's lovely to hear. In Snow Leopards, special mentions to Leanne and David for all the work that they are doing both in school and out of school. And special mention to Riley as well for all the fantastic learning you're doing at home, Riley, so keep it going. Jaguars, special mention goes to Eva for all your fantastic home learning. Lola, you've made an amazing wand and crown this week with lots of detail on it, so well done. And Roman, you've got some amazing guitar skills. Is that something that you've been learning while you've not been at school? That's amazing. Maybe when you come back, you can show us some of those. Tigers this week, special mentions go to lots actually. Rose, Reed, Sienna, Ruby, Evelyn, Isabel Baker, and Lexi. So well done, everybody. There's loads of mentions there. Lions, very special mention goes to Blake, who's been doing some fantastic learning at home and he's dropped some of that in. So that's lovely to see. And also, Alex, you've been working hard on your times tables this week. So well done. Rhinos, special mention goes to Jaden for your explanation text all about the life cycle of a penguin. And Edward, special mention goes to you all about being an independent worker. So well done, Edward. In Elephants this week, special mentions go to Isaac, who's been working really hard on his Shackleton boat work, and he's made some cheesy soda bread. That sounds very yummy. Jack, you've been doing some super work on fractions and all about global warming. And Evie, you've done some amazing work on recognising the different Sikh symbols. Well done, everyone. You've all been working really hard. So let's do some jazz hands for everybody. Well done. Must say, year 3s and 4s, I have been amazed at your information text that you've been sending through. There is so much detail in there. They are amazing. I'm hoping that maybe when we all come back, we can make a lovely display all about those. So that's something good to look forward to. Let's see who's been doing TT Rockstars this week. So in 8th place is Lions, and mentions and certificates go to Alex, Callum and Austin. 7th place, is Jaguars, and special mention and certificates go to Hannah, Abel and Evelyn. 6th place is Tigers, with Victoria, Evelyn and Freddie having certificates coming their way. 5th is Polar Bears, with Dominic, Jasmine and Fred S having certificates. 4th place is Elephants, with Jack, Finley and Clara all having certificates this week. 3rd place are Pandas, with Corey, Ember and Sunny having certificates this week. 2nd place, Snow Leopards, with David, Daniel and Ben having certificates. And in 1st place, Rhinos, and certificates go to Finley, Hannah and William. So well done, everybody. Keep going on your TT Rockstars. Remember, practice makes perfect. So that's really good to think about. Now, birthdays this week. Now, I know this week there are no adult birthdays and I haven't missed any off over the last couple of weeks. So that's really good. But let's have a look to see who's had a birthday. So Delilah in Polar Bears, you're now 6. Jack M in Dolphins, you're now 5. Sorry, I've got an itchy nose. Toby in Turtles, you're 5 now. Joshua R in Polar Bears, you are 6. Jamie W in Snow Leopards, you are now 7. David D in Snow Leopards, you are 7 today. Molly F in Tigers, you are 8 today. And Jensen in Giant Pandas, you are 6 today. So happy birthday, everybody. Are we ready to sing our happy birthday song to wish them all a very happy birthday? So you sing and join with me. I'm going to try and angle my camera down a little bit so you can see my hands a bit more. Hopefully this is going to work. Okay, so let's see if we're ready. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. So I hope you have all had a lovely birthday. Right, so this weekend, the weather's going to get cold again. I'm wondering if we're going to get a little bit more snow. I must say I saw lots of snowmen around Flitwick when I came through the other weekend and it had been snowing. So let's see what happens. And I hope that you all manage to have a nice weekend and relax and just think about all those lovely things that you're going to be doing. Okay, so next week we will be back here and we will see what's going to be happening. Now, remember, you can join the Zooms in the morning or towards the end of the day to join your classes. To see what you've been up to and to help you think about that. But you don't have to go on them if you don't want to. I know some children have found that that's quite upsetting for them. So that's fine, okay? Keep joining in the Zoom calls with your teachers so that you can have some nice chats and see all of your friends, and make sure that you send all of your work through as well so that the grown-ups can see what you've been up to. Because if they haven't heard from you, then they get worried and then they want to know what's happening. So then they will give you a little ring as well to make sure. So have a lovely weekend and I will see you all back next week, okay? So bye everyone, and bye grown-ups. Just like to say a huge thank you to you as well. You're doing an amazing job at home, so keep going. Hopefully there's an end in sight. Okay, we'll see you all soon. Bye bye.